We have to do subtraction of decimal numbers. So first we have to check if we have decimal point in the same column. Next we have to check if on the top we have numbers greater than on the bottom. 2 is less than 9, so we have to do borrowing. For subtracting decimal numbers we use the same rule like for subtracting whole numbers. So 2 is less than 9, so we borrow 1 from 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, and now we have at the end 12. 2 minus 8, so 2 is less than 8. So again we have to do borrowing. We borrow 1 from 7, so it will be 6, and now we have 12 minus 8, so it will be okay, and 8 minus 1 we can do. So now we can do subtraction. 12 minus 9 is 3. 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. We copy the decimal point in the same column, and 8 minus 1 is 7. Now we can always check 7.343 plus 1.389. 3 plus 9 is 12, so we have 2 and we take 1 to next column. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 8, so this is 13. 3 and 1 we take to next column. 1 plus 3 plus 3, so this is 7. Decimal point we copy, and 7 plus 1 is 8. The same number like we have on the top, so everything is okay. This is my solution.